Venomous Wonders, Exploring the Snake Kingdom, Part 1. Step into the fascinating world of venomous snakes, where beauty meets danger in the wild. From cobras to vipers, these creatures play vital roles in ecosystems while commanding awe and respect. This journey uncovers their secrets, survival strategies, and the science behind their deadly power. 1. Lycodon aulicus, Common Wolf Snake. The Lycodon aulicus is a non-venomous colubrid snake found widely in South Asia. It mimics the venomous krait in appearance but poses no danger to humans. This nocturnal hunter preys mainly on lizards and small rodents. 2. Achkastrodon contotrex, Copperhead. Native to North America, the copperhead is a venomous pit viper with distinctive hourglass markings. Its venom is mild, and bites are rarely fatal. It prefers wooded and rocky habitats and is known for its camouflage. 3. Coachwhip, Masticophus flagellum. The coachwhip is a fast-moving, non-venomous snake found in the southern United States and Mexico. Its slender body and long tail resemble a whip. It preys on insects, lizards, and small mammals. 4. Striped whipsnake, Masticophus tanniatus. The striped whipsnake is a slender, fast-moving snake native to the western United States. It has striking longitudinal stripes and is non-venomous. This diurnal predator feeds on small animals and insects. 5. Hydrophis belcheri, Belcher's sea snake. Among the most venomous snakes in the world, Hydrophis belcheri lives in tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Despite its potent venom, it is generally docile and rarely bites humans. It feeds mainly on fish and eels. 6. Black mamba, Dendrospus polylepus. The black mamba is one of Africa's deadliest snakes, known for its speed and highly toxic venom. It can reach lengths of up to 14 feet and deliver multiple rapid bites. Despite its name, it is brownish-gray, with a black mouth anterior. 7. Coluber constrictor priapus, Southern black racer. This non-venomous snake is native to the southeastern United States. Known for its speed and agility, it actively hunts during the day. It feeds on a variety of prey, including insects, amphibians, and small mammals. 8. Pichuophis catenifer uffinus, Sonoran gopher snake. The Sonoran gopher snake is a large, non-venomous constrictor found in the southwestern US. It mimics rattlesnakes in behavior and appearance as a defense tactic. It plays a vital role in controlling rodent populations. 9. Common krait, Bungarus caeruleus. This highly venomous snake is native to the Indian subcontinent. It is nocturnal and delivers neurotoxic venom that can cause respiratory failure. Often found near human dwellings, it preys on other snakes, rodents, and lizards. 10. Boomslang, Dyspholidus typus. The boomslang is a venomous tree-dwelling snake native to sub-Saharan Africa. It has large eyes and rare fangs that deliver potent hemotoxic venom. Despite its deadly bite, it is shy and rarely attacks humans. 11. Scarlet kingsnake, Lampropeltis ellipsoides. This non-venomous snake mimics the venomous coral snake with its red, black, and yellow bands. Found in the southeastern US, it is secretive and nocturnal. It feeds on lizards, rodents, and other snakes. 12. Genus Salvadora, patch-nosed snakes. Snakes of the genus Salvadora are known for the distinctive scale on their snout. These agile, non-venomous snakes are found in arid regions of the southwestern US. They are fast movers and prey on lizards and small vertebrates. 13. Common death adder, Acanthopus antarcticus. Native to Australia, the death adder is a venomous ambush predator with a thick body and triangular head. It delivers one of the fastest strikes among snakes. Despite its name, it's more likely to avoid than confront humans. 14. Coral snakes. Coral snakes are venomous and easily recognized by their vibrant red, yellow, and black banding. Found in the Americas, their neurotoxic venom can be deadly, but they are generally reclusive. They are often confused with non-venomous mimics like kingsnakes. 15. Mud snake, Farancia abacura. The mud snake is a large, non-venomous, semi-aquatic species native to the southeastern United States. It has a glossy black back and a striking red and black belly. Found in swamps and wetlands, it primarily feeds on amphibians like sirens and salamanders. 16. Long-nosed snake, Rhinochelys lecante. This non-venomous snake has a long snout and distinctive black, red, and white patterns. It is found in the arid and semi-arid regions of the western US and Mexico. It burrows and feeds mostly on reptiles and their eggs. 17. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake, Crotalus adamantius. The largest rattlesnake species, it is highly venomous and native to the southeastern US. It has a bold diamond pattern and a powerful strike. Despite its fearsome reputation, it avoids confrontation when possible. 18. Tiger rattlesnake, Crotalus tigris. Found in the southwestern US and northern Mexico, this rattlesnake is small but packs potent venom. Its name comes from the dark crossbands across its body. It prefers rocky desert habitats and is primarily nocturnal. 19. Green vine snake, Ahitala nasuta. Native to South and Southeast Asia, the slender, bright green snake blends perfectly with foliage. It has mildly venomous rear fangs used to subdue lizards and frogs. Known for its pointed snout and leaf-like appearance, it is harmless to humans. 20. Boa constrictor. A powerful constrictor, the boa is a non-venomous snake found in Central and South America. It kills prey by coiling around and suffocating it. Boas are adaptable and live in rainforests, savannas, and near human settlements. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.